Okay guys, let me introduce to you black magic powder. If you've not heard about this black magic powder, you should know that it's been invoked for some time, but people don't know about it. Not until we started using it, people started using it and seeing the effect of it. Black magic powder, you see, as this powder implies, black magic is really black magic. I don't know what they use to do this powder. All I know, it has no side effect because I've been using it some time now. It has no side effect. You see, and it's very small, very expensive. To God who made me. You can use this small one that is not up to 10 grams. You can use it to promise 10 kg, and it will tone you and come white. What will it really take me to convince you? It's because of money? No. It's just I just try to be honest to you. And it's not everybody that can afford this black magic. So when you ask, do you have black magic powder? Are you getting? Some will say yes, but why not go buy from the source where you hear about it? It might not be from me, but where you hear about it, you hear about the black magic. Go buy it for there. If not here, you hear about it. Go buy it. Because some people, they just need your money. They will say yes, they have it. They will go and give you other powders. I don't need to do that. Are you getting me? This white black magic, you use it for your soap, it will not change color. It will remain the color you made it with. You can use it for your lotion, it will not change color, to remain the color. This is not hydroquinone. You will use it for your oils, it will not change color. You will use it for your, what's it called, shower gel, it will not change color. Black magic powder, it will whiten you. Yes, very expensive. But if you can afford it, use it. This is a powder everybody be looking for right now in Nigeria or wherever you are. So if you know that you want organic recipes, you want me to ship for you anywhere, I will ship to you original. Just name it organics or premixing, whatever. Or you want us to teach you, we will do that. Are you getting it? Yes, and it will give you knuckles, dark ables. Never. Black magic powder is one of the powder that you can rely on. Yes, I can list names of powder that you can rely on, but let me just start with this one. Come on, because this is the right powder that everybody trying to get now, and to get them, it's not easy because easy. It's not easy, yeah. It's not easy because it's very expensive. So no come the year you not get black magic. And when they give you price, you will start to price the person when they give you price. No. If you can't carry the shop, take. You understand? Because of that, you will not go and look for who said I have it but I can sell it for you €1. Go get it there. You will burn your skin one day. Repent for all those things there. Buy the resource. See, black magic. Put on for your lotion, it go work. You won't turn on Igbo Abi. By the time you use this one for just 1 week, 2 weeks, 3 weeks, Abino. So you have to be very careful the way you use it. But the truth is that no side effect. No side effect. So go for this black magic powder. Alright, so we've come to the end of this review for this black magic powder. If you want us to ship all these things to you, cosmetic or any organic product or whatever, or you need our own product, yellow CC or blue woman or Irish lotion or smart face cream, anyone you want us to ship to you, we can ship to you anywhere. If you are in France, for those of us who are in France, if you have anybody who can clear cosmetic for you there, fine, we can ship for you also. So don't forget, we've come to the end of the class. Stay tuned, stay glued to this channel. Don't think because it's a guy, should I or should I? I know you'll be considering every time. Somebody will go, I'll be considering it, should I or should I? Come on, give it a try. I wouldn't say we are not better than any other person, but I'm good. I know what I'm doing, I'm good. It's not money. I'm good, baby. That is why the eco women love me, you know, because I give them the rich stuff. Anyway, we've come to the end of this class, so bye-bye.